Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a clipping mask in Illustrator, how to do a clipping mask in Illustrator. All right, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to have the object or shape you want to click the image into. So let's assume I want to click the image into this circle or ellipse. All right, I change the color so you can see it. Then next I'll bring in my image. Now the trick is this: you have to make sure that your image is below your shape. So right now, if I try to do a clipping mask of this image and this shape, it's going to work perfectly. But if I try to do it with this, it won't work because the image is above the circle. So it's going to give me an error message. You see, I get an error message. Okay, so you need to make sure that the image is below the circle. So to do that, just right click on the circle and say arrange and say bring to front. Like this. So the image is below the circle. Or you can just go to your layers panel and bring my circle to front. Make sure it's highlighted here. That's the one that is active, the one highlighted with a blue dot here. So if I want to select this, right now it's not selected. I need to click on this to make it selected. So now it's selected before I can move it around. Okay, so now that we brought the circle above the image, we can just select the circle, hold shift and select the image. That allows you to select multiple objects on your artboard or on your working environment. Assuming you don't have any other object around it like I have right now, like we are right now, I can just use my mouse to hover on both of them and to be selected. But if you were doing a design and you already had so many things around you, the best option is to just use shift to select the circle and then select the image, and then select the image, right click and go ahead and say make clipping mask. Alright, immediately the image jumps into the circle. So to now position, because I didn't put the image where I want it to be already on the circle, or how I want it to be already on the circle. So you see I'm having it this way, and I did this on purpose so I can just show you how to also move your image while you've done the clipping mask. So you can just go ahead and click on isolate layer to work on the image, to access the inner image. Click on isolate layer. Alright, and then you can select the image and then just move it, like that, so you can see the entire circle. So I'm just going to make it bigger as well, holding shift so that it will not distort the image. So you make sure when you're scaling up you need to hold shift. Alright, then I can just move it towards the left. So if I want this image to be in the center, well, I can push it towards the center, but I'll just give it towards the right. Towards the right. So once you're done, just go ahead and then double click on the empty space, like here or here, or just go ahead and just go back using that arrow, and here we are. We've made our clipping mask with an image inside. Alright, hope you learned from that video. If you liked it, just go ahead and like the video, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.